Hey guys, it's Alec here from Build Nerd, and in today's video we're talking about 3D printing face shields and how you can help deliver this crucial protective equipment to those in need. Let's check it out. So obviously this is not my normal situation. I'm back home because University of Iowa has transitioned to online classes for the rest of the semester because of the current pandemic we're in right now. So I'm currently back home, and this is where I'll be doing most of my videos from now on. Doctors and nurses are in desperate need of protective equipment, and many have called to the 3D printing community to help fill this void of absent protective equipment. Companies such as Prusa and other individuals have worked tirelessly to help develop PPE and get it into doctors and nurses' hands in crucial hospitals. Now, normally I like to show you the print in my hands just so you can see how big it is and see how the print turned out, but I have already printed and mailed several face shields. I have, however, taken photos and videos of the process, so you will get to see that as I talk about the print in detail. Let's check it out. This model is printed on my Creality CR10 in a Bahama Blue PLA from Ziltech. PETG is the best for these models for long-lasting parts, however I did not have any on hand for my printer. This model was published as an open source model from Prusa. They make excellent printers and they're one of the leaders in this movement to make protective equipment. In the description of this video, I have added the link to a donation location and website. If you have a 3D printer and the capability to make parts, you should make them for your local care providers, or if your local hospital is well stocked, ship them to those in need in highly affected states. This can be done by following the link in the description for Masks for Docs, as well as the other website I have in the description. If you cannot make face shields, I ask that you please donate money so those who run the operation can buy the other equipment necessary to construct the face shields. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe down below. And please, please, please donate to this worthy cause. There are people desperately in need. Even if you don't have a 3D printer, you can donate money so that they can buy more supplies in this crucial time. Thank you. And until next time, build your nerddom.